Hello. Oh, let me move back. Jeez. Hello, everyone. It's me. Yeah, today I'm gonna be doing an unusual unboxing video because I got some super awesome Webkinz. I got them for a really good deal. And I might give some information about the Webkinz and how much their current market value is as of 2023 April. So, let's get started, shall we? Alright. I'm really happy about this box because these Webkinz are ones I have wanted since I was 12. Like, legit, since I was 12. So, and most of these I don't have, so, yeah. Our first Webkinz is the Webkinz Black Poodle. Oh, that is super cute! Okay, here it is. Here's what the poodle looks like. And you can't really tell. I should fix my light a little bit. There we go. Yeah. I hope my camera is picking up the quality. Here's the magic W. It looks like a 3rd gen or something. It's Black Poodle. HM191. Here's the Gans tag. I don't see anything. I think it might need to be a little bit cleaned up, but that's okay. Here's our next one. Oh my god, this is so precious. Oh, it might need a little bit of TLC, but oh my goodness. I love this. Yeah, it might need to be cleaned up. It's been in a box. It has been storming all day. It's probably wet. I feel if it's a little damp, of course. But yeah. I think I don't really need to restuff this one. The ears are in pretty good shape. Back's really good. I might wash it because I could see a little flecks of dirt in it. But other than that, that is super cool. This is Webkinz Peace Puppy. This is the Webkinz Peace Puppy HM440. Here's the W. I actually have this one in game now because my friend gave me a digital eShop code for this. Yeah, I might want to wash him a little bit in a little bit. I named him Sparks in game, but I call him Spork. Okay, here we go. This one needs to be washed. Okay, it's a Littlekins. Yep, it is a Littlekins Yorkie. I wasn't expecting it to be a Littlekins, but yeah. I don't know what it is, but it seems like Yorkies really get the treatment of, I get so much, they somehow attract a lot of like dye from like Webkinz clothing. I realized that a lot about with like the Kinz clothing, especially the Wheel Well shirt, they always get like the dye stains on them. Okay, here's our next one. Oh my god, that is so sweet. Oh, I have the trio now. Let me go grab the Cocker Spaniel. No, not the Cocker Spaniel, the Golden Retriever. Yeah, sorry about camera framing. I just don't have it in me. But yay, the 3 dogs. But yeah. Yeah, here's the magic W. I used to have this one, but its nose is a little messed up. The tag is not cut on the line. That's a little strange, but I notice I have some of them with little, it's either cut at the line or cut before the line. And oh my goodness, I got a little confused for a hot second. Oh wait, whoa. So this one had Okay, yeah, this one's a little loppy, but that's okay. I might want to wash this one too. I could see that there is little things. The person definitely used this code, and the tag, the thing that keeps the tag in place is still on its foot. Here's the magic W. It is HM414. It is the cherry soda pup. Wow. I, for some reason, thought the ears were sewn on backwards. I'm just like, huh? But now that I realize it's like, oh yeah, that's actually correct. It's supposed to actually look like this. So, oh my goodness, that's actually kind of cute. I really had like almost all of the soda puppies before freaking I'd never had that one. I had the you know, the puppies that kind of look like the really fuzzy ones? Cream soda pup and grape soda pup. I had those, but I had never had a cherry soda pup. But I plan on rebuying my collection at some point. But yeah. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Okay, let's see. Nope, there's nothing else. That's it. So let's show the haul. We got the cherry soda pup, which I'm naming Cherry Bomb. This is Coco, the Cocker Spaniel. This is Spark, the Peace Puppy. Move it over. I don't even know what to name this one. I'm something just seems like Midnight or something. I don't know what I'm gonna name it, but it's obviously very cute. Like, I wasn't expecting Yorkies to be this cute. And I might just have a preference over the other two Yorkies. But yeah, this is really cute. And this one just needs a bath. Yay! Yorkie! I need to go over it with my wire brush and wash it with the other guys. But so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Did I get that right? HS70, not HM70. Oh well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Please don't tell me that there is gonna be a freaking thunderstorm warning in the next few minutes, because I will be pissed. Yeah, I might do a video on restoring this one, because this one just needs it. This just needs it. Like, I don't know, but it just needs it.